Ian James, many thanks. Sam Berg, you're welcome. Jake Hughes, one more time here, thank you for all. Eu vou apresentar para vocês o Rodrigo Soares, que é o diretor de operações da McLaren São Paulo. Ele vai falar algumas palavras e fazer algumas perguntas para a equipe McLaren.
Bom dia, pessoal, sejam bem-vindos à McLaren São Paulo. Segundo ano de rodada com o time da equipe da Fórmula E. Estamos muito contentes aqui de poder recebê-los, vocês de imprensa, o time. A McLaren é uma empresa que o seu próprio DNA vem das corridas com a Fórmula 1 e demonstra isso também agora com a recente entrada na Fórmula E, também agora o anúncio desse ano a volta ao e, muito bacana, e nas categorias de GP também, então demonstra todo o comprometimento da empresa, não só na parte de racing, mas também na parte de automóveis. Nós estamos aqui fazendo um excelente trabalho. A McLaren São Paulo está no Brasil desde 2018, esse é o 6º ano de operação. O ano passado foi um ano muito positivo para nós, fomos o 9º maior dealer do mundo e o dealer que mais vendeu McLaren Artura, esse é o amarelinho que vocês estão vendo aqui, no mundo. Então esses são números impressionantes até para a fábrica. Isso mostra todo o comprometimento não só da nossa parte como investidores do mercado brasileiro, mas também da fábrica, da marca, que tem essa ligação grande com o Senna. Esse ano nós vamos ter bastante coisa aí falando do Senna há 30 anos. Então é muito gratificante estar aqui, ter essa oportunidade para ver o pessoal da Fórmula E e vocês aqui, né, para ter essa experiência diferente. Eu vou fazer duas perguntinhas para eles. A primeira eu vou fazer para o chefe de equipe, perguntar para ele quais foram os aprendizados do ano passado para esse ano, visto que o ano passado foi o primeiro ano da Fórmula E no Brasil, e para os pilotos quais são as impressões deles sobre a pista aqui no Brasil. So, thank you so much for you guys for being here with us again. So very welcome to the team. So what is the learning from last year for the team in terms of technical aspect and or the race experience from last year to this year? You know, that's it's a new track, yeah? So it will be interesting to understand a little bit more what are the learnings from the team.
Perfect. Well, thank you, Poucos. Yeah, everybody, it's fantastic to be here for the second year now and to come here. We really enjoy, I think, escaping the grey British weather. Although when I came into land this morning in São Paulo, it was definitely misty, which was a surprise. Fortunately, the sun is shining now, which is fantastic. So very much looking forward to the weekend. And a huge thank you to the team here as well. You know, the connection between the McLaren racing side of the business and the McLaren automotive side of the business has never been stronger. So to come in, see these guys drooling over the products here is great as well, and very much looking forward to getting out on track this weekend. Now, in terms of what we can expect and the learnings that we took, as you rightly mentioned, last year was our first year here in São Paulo, but it was also the first year of the Gen 3 car. And if I'm perfectly honest, as a team, it took us longer than we would have liked to get to grips with the new package, to get to grips with the new form of racing as well. But one thing we are very good at as a team is analysing that data, really understanding where our weak spots are, and then working on those. And I feel that we've taken a significant step forward this year. Obviously, it's fantastic to have Jake back in the team again this year, and then to welcome Sam into the team. And I think between them, they've been working on some opportunities that we're looking to really draw out of the package that we've got. It is the same package that we had last year from a hardware perspective, because it's homologated for 2 years. But especially with Sam, he was able to come in and through his experience, highlight some areas that we could really progress with. And we've seen that in the first 3 races of this year. It's been a positive start. We've flirted with some podiums so far, but I'm confident that we're going to take that next step and get those podiums as we go forward. And that's certainly going to be our goal as we head into this weekend.
You're going to be translating, I will cut that into sections, sorry. Don't worry. Bom, em resumo, ele está muito empolgado com as primeiras corridas desse ano, ofertaram com alguns pódios, e a grande expectativa dessa nova geração. Se eu entendi bem, o hardware é o grande desse ano, muda alguma coisa da tecnologia interna do carro, contando muito com a experiência do Sam, que está na primeira temporada, está na competição desde a primeira temporada. Ficou um pouco assustado com o clima londrino quando eles aterrissaram, mas depois, quando sol, viu que realmente estava no país tropical. Resumidamente é isso.
Thank you. So for the drivers, so welcome again, and Jake, what is your impression about the Brazilian racetrack and compared to all the races that you have been, and what are your expectations for this weekend?
Shall I go first? Okay, I'll go first. Firstly, good morning everybody. It's a pleasure to be here. You know, we get asked to do a lot of media requests through the year, and some of them are less exciting than others, and this is actually really exciting because it's the first McLaren showroom I've been in, and I'm so in awe of some of the cars that we create as a company. It's really difficult not to smile when you come into this building, so thank you for having us this morning. As for being here in Brazil, Brazil holds so much history when it comes to racing, and especially history with McLaren as well. So to represent the brand here in Brazil, to hopefully bring home a great result for the brand is a great prospect. I'm really looking forward to the race. I got a podium here last year with the previous team, and I'm hoping for more of that this year.
Bom, para ele é muito importante estar aqui, porque é o primeiro showroom da McLaren que ele visita agora, já que ele acabou de chegar no time. É muito difícil não se empolgar vendo esses carros de perto, mostrou bastante empolgação com isso. Lembrou a história do Brasil nas competições, então por isso para ele é tão importante estar aqui. Ele foi pódio na corrida do ano passado, na equipe anterior que ele corria, então por isso que ele tem uma grande expectativa de ter um bom desempenho de novo esse ano.
Hi everyone. Morning as well. It's great to be back. Second time here. I loved every minute of it last year. Managed to score some points in my first year racing in Brazil, my first year racing in Formula E here last season. And as Sam says, I mean, the history here in Brazil with motorsport is second to none. So it's great that we're here with Formula E again. Hopefully we'll be here for years to come, but I think looking forward to this weekend itself. We've had a good start to the year, and hopefully we continue to fight for the podium. As Ian says, we were very close to achieving so far, so that's got to be the goal this weekend. The racetrack itself, I think, will be a really exciting race. We're expecting quite a lot of overtaking, so from our side, I think we'll obviously try and be as strong as we have been in qualifying, but then try and put together a strong race and try and get a trophy for everyone.
Bom, ele também ressaltou a história do Brasil com competições, é ótimo, está de volta, teve bons, eu sou da pista do ano passado, teve bons resultados. Ele está esperando muitas ultrapassagens nessa corrida, resumidamente isso.